does a 3, 2, 1, and then it starts doing the little thingy. Alright, we're live.
Hey guys, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. I was thinking about our second location, which is 3473 Cherokee Street. That's a good segue. That's a good lead-in. 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. So today we want to talk about self-employed. Now, if you're self-employed and you're looking to expand your business and you're just beating yourself up because you just can't find a company out there to get you the computers that you need, take a look at Computers Plus. We do have an online store at computersplususa.com. Click this shop online and you'll look at all the different types of laptops and desktops and different services we offer. You know, there's a lot of different services that we offer, from mail-in. If you're looking at this podcast, you're in a different state and you just don't have the tech support that you are looking or that you need, take a look at us. We do offer mail-in repair as well as remote network support, which all can be started on our website. When you create a ticket, you can type in our ticket and say, hey, I need this type of help, and someone will give you a call back. One of your tech concierges will give you a call back and let you know what is going on. Tomorrow is Women Wednesday, and what that means is if you're a woman, come in on Wednesday and you get 10% off of any service or any products. Now, I've heard a lot of stories about people feeling like they've been being taken advantage of because of their sex, because of their race, because of all that stuff. You know, I apologize for that. You know, here at Computers Plus, we look at each and every individual, and we respect each and every person, and we want to help you guys get through your tech worries. What's coming up next week? 4th of July. We just came off Juneteenth. Now it's 4th of July. Now it's time to bring out the fireworks, shoot off. You know what? I wonder what people did for Juneteenth. But for the 4th of July, we know we're doing some fireworks, we're doing some barbecue, we're having some good times. So make sure you guys grab that family member and invite them over, and let's not desocialize, because we were social distancing at that time. We're gonna not social distance, and we're gonna get together and have a great time with our friends and family and celebrate the 4th of July. Kennesaw has some amazing things, and Acworth, some amazing things that are happening downtown in your local area. So check it out. Visit your local shop, visit your local community, and get involved, because there's a lot of things that are happening, and you never know who you can help. We work with our communities every day when it comes to how they can better protect themselves online. A lot of seniors, and there's a lot of things that people are just not aware of. You know, scam emails, hack phone calls. You know, if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys give us a call. We would love to answer any of your questions that you guys could be having in regards to how to, you know, surf online safely, and how to know when you should and type in your credit card. There's a lot of sites out there that collect that data and store it, and when people get hacked, maybe not from their computer but from somewhere else, they get that information. And at Computers Plus, we do not keep your credit card information on file. We'll want to keep you guys safe as much as we possibly can. So if you do, you know, you can go to your local sales place like Walmart and say, hey, you know what? I know I paid with a credit card. I don't want you to keep my credit card on file. And you can do that. That's power that you have in your hands, because, you know, is Walmart going to make those phone calls once you get your identity taken away because a system got hacked and your credit card was involved, and you're like, well, now I got to spend all my time calling these companies? You know, so you have that power to take that credit card off of that registry. Do that. It's something I recommend people do all the time. Do not leave your credit card on file. You only leave yourself open for exposure and risk, and nobody wants that. Nobody wants to deal with credit card companies, banking institutions saying, hey, I never charged this file, I never charged this bill, why am I being billed for this? It's just a headache, and we want to relieve that as much as possible. So do that. We also want to remind people of our cloud storage. Super important for people to start getting into the habit of backing up your data. You know, especially with Windows 11, so many things can go wrong with software that's being released that can jeopardize your data. And you'll see Windows 10, Windows 11 will always say, hey, if you have data, you need to back it up, because don't leave it to us to protect your data. It's up to you, and it's up to you to protect your data. So we have an online cloud storage software service that we offer here at Computers Plus. get more information on that, just go to our website at computersplususa.com, and you'll get all the information on that, on how to protect yourself and get the cloud storage and make sure you're all protected. And that's one thing we do here at Computers Plus. We want to give you guys all the information as much as possible. Friday is Free Diagnostic Friday. Don't forget about that. What does that mean? That means if you bring a product in Friday, we can diagnose it at no charge. Give us 3 to 5 business days to get back with you and let you know, is it worth fixing or is it not worth fixing? Worth fixing or not worth fixing? I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, signing off. If you have any questions, make sure you guys give us a call. We're open 6 days a week. See you later. Bye.